It begins the fourth day of the penalty trial for Parkland school shooter Nicholas Cruz. The 12-member jury is expected to hear another round of intense testimony today. Let's go live to Josie Carbonari outside the Broward County Courthouse. Josie, you've been there in the courtroom all this week. Yesterday, jurors saw new evidence from students. These are students who were shot at and survived.
That's right, Mark. Students and teachers testified, and we really got a clear picture of what it was like for them as this chaos unfolded. People screaming, crying in the hallways, trying to take cover within the classrooms. We also heard a cell phone video played out as one of the witnesses took the stand, a former student who ended up surviving. But she said that she had the video recording. They were in the classroom barricaded, and then they were escorted out once police came. But in that video, you can really hear the chaos, the distress, and really how scary that moment was. As this video was playing out, though, you could hear gunfire, and Nicholas Cruz was sitting there with his head down and his hands in his ears, his fingers in his ears, so he was really trying not to listen to that video. Now, what really left an impression in the courtroom was when former Marjory Stoneman Douglas student Anthony Borges was on the stand. Towards the end of his testimony, he ended up lifting his shirt to jurors, showing the scars that were left behind where he was shot and the 14 surgeries that he's had since 2018. The defense continued to object to the amount of times the state showed surveillance video and having victims describe the long-term effects of their injuries, but the judge said their motions would continue to be denied. During one of the testimonies, one of the teachers described trying to help barricade her students in the classroom.
We all were sort of down on the ground. We were on the floor trying to hide behind whatever we could. And it was really seconds later that the barrel of that AR-15 just ambushed our classroom.
These testimonies, of course, very tough to hear. They will continue this morning at 9 a.m. Reporting live from the Broward County Courthouse, I'm Josie Carbonari, WPBF 25 News.